Today, I have something exciting for you, a guide to transform your Redmi Pad into a worthy companion. But first, let me ask you this, have you ever felt like your device could do more for you? Not slowing down, no lags. Well, you're not alone. That's why today, we're here to diving into the realm of optimization, unlocking the full potential of your Redmi Pad. Now, before we embark on this journey, welcome to my channel. I'm here to bring new things which are unexplored or not given attention to. So, buckle up, because by the end of this video, your Redmi Pad won't just be a tablet, it'll be your productivity ally. Let's get started. Part 1. Debloat your device. Debloating is the process of removing unwanted apps from your device. It helps an increase in performance as well as storage space. I'm surprised that this MIUI is very much bloat-free. There are many guides and videos available for this process, you can refer it. I'll link in description. Part 2. Disable RAM extension. Yes, you heard me right. RAM gets extended as per the settings, but due to some glitch or issue, it increases the app startup time and decreases the performance of whole system drastically. To disable it, go to Settings. Then open Additional Settings. Then open Memory Extension. I have already disabled it, but in your device it will be Enable. So, just turn it off. Please note, whenever you change this setting, you need to restart your device to take effect. Part 3. Battery Saving Settings. Battery is massively bigger in this device, but it's always better not to spend energy on background processes. Open Security app. Then go to Battery section. Then tap on the gear icon. Here we have some options to change. First is, turn off mobile data when device is locked. This helps us in reducing connectivity when device is locked, which eventually helps in longer battery. Try the options and choose the one which fits best. Next is, clear cache when device is locked. This setting will clear the temporary data of applications, so that when you reopen the app, you get fresh and new data. Try this option by yourself as well to get the best settings. Now, tap on Battery Saver option. Here search for Schedule Time to switch between modes. This option will allow you to put your tablet on power saving mode on specific time. It will help in getting more battery life when you are not intended to use, example, your sleeping time. The start and end time as those hours where your tablet will be ideal for majority of time. Anyways, you can always disable power saving mode even if battery saver kicks in by itself. Now let's move to the next battery saver option. Go to Battery section. Then tap on App Battery Saver. From here you can control the battery usage for all apps. The idea here is to restrict background usage for those apps which are not in frequent use. When you open any app, you will see these options. Let me explain the modes. No restrictions, will allow your app to run in any way the app wants. Battery Saver, will dynamically check if app is performing any important task, then do not kill, otherwise kill it. Restrict background app, it will allow app to stay in background only for 10 minutes. Restrict background activity, will kill the app ASAP. Here, I need Canva to stay in background for some time. If it's too long, it will be fine for me that it gets killed. Similarly, you can check the app usage by yourself and assign the settings. It will be great if you do this settings for all your apps to get the best out of all. One more setting is there, schedule power on, off. It will be bit extra. This will allow you to turn off and on your tablet on specific time. Last but not the least, always keep an eye on this warning. Optimize battery usage in scenarios. It is an inbuilt feature where it shows you ways to optimize the device for better battery. Do read the changes it is suggesting you to do. Not every suggestion is worth doing, because tablet doesn't know your workflow. Part 4. Restrict internet activity. My apologies for portrait view, the app one want to demonstrate is not having proper support for landscape. Select the app. Go to its app info page. You will see a option, Restrict Data Usage. Tap on that option. Based on your preference, check or uncheck. When you restrict, it will not allow app to use your internet. There are some apps which do not require internet but yet they use internet in other ways. Here I have, MX Player. I want this app to play my local videos only. As I have restricted MX Player not use internet, you can see that other functionalities are not working. I'm very much fine with it. By this way, you can reduce any app not to use internet in neither foreground or background. Bonus tips. Thank you for watching the video till this much. I have this bonus for you. This Redmi Pad offers 3 variants as 3 GB, 4 GB, 6 GB RAM. From the community research I found that 3 GB variant is not having split screen functionality. So please try not buy that variant if you planning to work with split screen. Quick accessory suggestions. First and foremost, buy a tempered glass to protect your screen. Check Amazon or Flipkart for tempered glass. Buy the one which fits your budget. Next is, flip case. It will help you in protecting your device, also helps you in placing your device in better viewing angles. If you are planning to do any stylus work, then I have these 2 entry-level stylus as a suggestion. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with new videos.